And I take care of these guys. And these guys kind of take care of me too. Good boy. Good boy. Who wants some more food? Oh, who wants some more food? There you go. There you go. There you go. Hello. 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 Thanks for the bird bath, guys. I got all kinds of friends now. I got all kinds of friends thanks to your bird bath. Look at this, I'm having a parrot party. Yeah, I tell ya. Must be my perfume. I don't know. I seen your little baby once trying to get in yesterday. That was so cute. I had to film him a little bit because you told me about it and then I seen it. They were actually knocking at your door, the mother and the little baby, wanting to get in and see you guys. I know it. I knew you guys were inside ignoring them. Do they look in your window too? Yep, same thing here. And they try to make you feel guilty, don't they? Really? These guys here, I haven't seen them in it just yet. Really? Well, if you think it's not the right size, you can trade back. Whatever you want, I don't care. I know. Hey, thanks again for this thing here. That is really cool. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Hey, did you guys use cement or liquid nails to hold that on? Yeah, so is it cement or liquid nails you got it on there with? That's what I thought. Not a problem. I was thinking that thing is not going to come off no matter what. So that bird bath is not going to come off that pedestal no matter what. And that is it's the first addition we've put in our yard since the trees. And I got the trees from those guys next door, so I love our mutual junk collections. Great. Hello, guys. Oh yeah, that's the first thing I was thinking of. It's not the junkies, it'll be the drunks. It's like a giant garden gnome. Anybody who's pissed would not be able to resist the temptation. And I tell you what, right now, that's not going to get taken no matter what. I know, we all did this. We all did the same shit. There's always some guy on our street that just like to be pissed off, and we'd like to piss them off even more. So yeah, we got to remember our teenage days. I can't believe this. They're eating right off of me. I'll catch you. No, that's fine. Whatever you don't need, just before you throw it out, knock on my door to make sure I get it. Thanks again, Jackie. You have a good one. Yep, take care. Come here. Well, what's the matter? What's the matter? You seem to be shy. What's the matter? What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Come here. Come here. There's something wrong, little man. Come here. Come here. No. No. There you go. Good boy. What's the matter? Are you sad? Come here. Have some food. Come on. Have some food. Have some food. Don't be scared. It's okay. Come on. Have some food. Crazy chicken. Crazy nuclear powered chicken. Hello, chicken. Oh, somebody back there is a little scared. Okay, I'll get you some more food. Jeez, you guys want to make me go broke. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hey, no fighting. No fighting. Be good. You guys be good, okay? No fighting, alright? No fighting, no biting. Don't care. They're all a bunch of Sputniks anyway. Yes? Hello. Hello, Mr. Gorilla. Are you guys executives? Are you guys VIPs? Are you a VIP? Here you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Say hey, say hey, 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 hey. What? God, you little pig, piglet. What? Here you go. Hey, let me get the gorilla some food. Hey, no fighting, dummies.